I will compare the new Vivo X200 Ultra with Vivo IQ11. Vivo X200 Ultra 6.82 inches LTP AMOLED display and success ratio 21:9. Vivo IQ11 6.78 inches LTP 4 AMOLED display and success ratio 20:9. Vivo X200 Ultra run on the Android 15 operating system. Vivo IQ11 run on the Android 13 operating system. Vivo X200 Ultra it comes with 12GB, 16GB RAM and 256GB, 512GB, 1TB internal storage. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, 8GB Adreno 830. Vivo IQ11 it comes with 8GB, 12GB, 16GB RAM and 28GB, 256GB, 512GB internal storage. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, 8GB Adreno 740. Vivo X200 Ultra real set triple camera setup, 50MP plus 200MP plus 50MP front camera, 50MP. Vivo IQ11 real set triple camera setup, 50MP plus 13MP plus 8MP front camera, 16MP. Vivo X200 Ultra 6000 mAh battery, 90W fast charging support. Vivo IQ11 5000 mAh battery, 120W fast charging support.